It's in Braddock.
Leave out Braddock.
It's in Braddock.
We're not part of your group. Right? Now you're talking too loud.
Braddock's on
Gentlemen.
Braddock's on the other
I
side.
know. Hey, what's up? That's how I'll tell the truth once in a while, you know that? You see that lie? I think this is for the people of Braddock, right? Hey, if the MC, we knew there was a Christian information, right? Now we are in quick work, we gotta live. That's the plan. Here's up at the Central Park dog walker. He was charged with a crime because he was barking too loud and didn't report.
All right, guys, so there's some lunatic over here.
He reported a crime and the dog was barking too loud.
He forgot his meds. The medication is on the nightstand.
Sounds like a fool.
He sure does. So anyway, I'm just, yeah. So anyway, we're starting. I don't even have the thing turned on. I'm just pedaling. See, this thing, you can ride it somewhat. Just under your own power, just pedaling it. We'll get the power turned on once I get over here around the corner, because I'm gonna go in the back way where the gravel is. Okay, so you can go this way and stay out on the street, or you can go this back way where the trail actually is. A lot of people, well, I would say a lot, I would say half the people go this back way, and then half the people stay on the road. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the power on. There's 114 miles on here now, and we're gonna go put it up to pedal assist 1. Well, the trip odometer on this is not gonna be any of any value, because I've already just been pedaling without using the power. So there's our voltage. The pedal assist 1 for me is not that good. I need to get a little, there it goes, number 2. Yeah, number 2 works for me a little bit better. See, when you're back here in the gravel, you're not, you don't coast as far after you stop pedaling as you do when you're on concrete or the blacktop. Okay, so we're gonna head over this way. Yeah, I'm not just cruising today. I'm not trying to, you know, test batteries or nothing. I'm just out, just taking a ride. You know, at my own leisure. This isn't about any testing of anything. Let's take a picture of the gantry. So we got a little ways to go, and then we're going to be crossing the street and heading off to Sandcastle, the water park, which I think is closed. Now it is. There's Costco. Oh, I should come over here and get a Jetson. Oh yeah, you can pull right in there. Oh, you can roll right up to the door of Costco over this way, on this side.
Cool. Nice speed.
All right, it's pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna time lapse it from here for a little bit. All right, guys, I went almost 6 miles out, and I'm gonna go back now because I just wanted to come out and try out this trail with the electric, you know. So just want to see how it would work on this trail. And this trail is very smooth except for this little section I'm on right now. This little section here is pretty bumpy. Here is the Steelers and Pit training facility right here. There's the Pit bus. I think they have a game today, actually. Oh, it looks like it's broke down. Well, anyway, so there's the training facility right there. Field is right here. Here's all the goalposts for the kickers to practice. And they hide the field behind them hedges. Yeah, this is the real bad part of this trail right here. I mean, after you get past this little section here, it's pretty damn good. It's one of the smoothest concrete trails I've seen yet. So yeah, as soon as you hit this sign where it says Three Rivers Heritage Trail right here, the trail goes to crap. Okay, it's okay, it's beautiful until you get to this spot right here. Now from here all the way back it'll be smooth sailing. I'll tell you what, guys, you really increased the life of this battery just by doing some pedaling. Like, I've been pedaling like halfway so far. The energy bar is all the way still at the top. Yeah, you just pedal, and it'll really extend the life of this battery. Big time. Yeah, all through here, this trail is great. All the way, basically all the way back. All the way back to Homestead. What am I looking at here now? I got 48 volts. 48.9 or something. Now when I gas the throttle, it dropped down to 45. Of course, I'm not range testing around. I'm not doing any of that kind of stuff. I'm just riding, just taking a ride, that's all. I wanted to go over here and look at these towers right here. These smokestacks. So kind of detouring a little bit here. I think these are the old smokestacks from the J&L mill. They left all of them here. There's a whole bunch of them. One, like, let's see, 12 or 13 of them suckers. Wow, they're huge. That's some big babies there. 47.1. All right, guys, we made it back, and we got the voltage. It was 47.5. That's what it is, and the mileage was 11.4 according to that. I think this one said it was a little bit less. Yeah. So yeah, I made it back, no problem, ran great. Yeah, wow, great stuff. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.